Hello, this LP3 training video is for the rate chart. To access the rate chart, choose Reports, Rate Chart. Rate chart allows you to put in what would essentially be loan amount and terms based on the state you're in. For instance, this is Texas and loan type, regulated loan, 342. So if you put in your loan amount, say $1,200, and then a term of 12 months. And let's go ahead and click on recalculate at the bottom. If you have acquisition charge checked, it will use the acquisition charge that you have in your settings, which is 100 up to $100, depending on how much you're lending. It will tell you back IAHC, finance charge total, that financing from lending that money, the regular payment, so which would be how much they're going to be paying per month, last payment if it's different, total payments, so that would include the finance charge plus the amount lent, APR, the annual percentage rate that it ends up being, and that can change depending on acquisition charge and of course time period of the loan, and it's specific to this particular loan type in, for instance, Texas that we've chosen. It'll tell you if there's any late fees that and how much it would be added if there were late fees, but that's in the settings. It doesn't add the late fee in. It'll also give you a breakout for that 12 months of the payments and what the refund amount, so that would be interest on the loan that wasn't earned if the loan is paid off at these periods of time. So right now, if you continue through the entirety of the loan until the loan matures 12 months, you will be getting a finance charge of $675.96. But if the customer pays off after 2 months, it'll be 406 you'd get as finance, or pays off after 3 months, 332. So the longer that you extend the loan out, the more interest that is accrued to make up the full amount of $675.96, which means 1,200 lent over 12 months. If they pay on time and don't pay off early, the total back would be $1,875.96. Now, if you want to pick a day and time and see what the refund amount is, this will give you the refund amount on, say, the payment days. Today is November 12th, so this would be 1 month out, so December 12th. So if we come in here and we choose December 12, which is 1 month out, do recalculate, we see the refund amount is $487.35. Well, if you want to see any other period of time on what the refund amount will be, say for instance we wanted to go a week later on the 19th and see what the refund amount would be. Refund would be a little bit less to the customer if they paid off, because you would have accrued more interest on the days that you still had the loan out. So every day you have the loan out, interest is accrued to the account from after day one all the way through the final payment. So the rate chart allows you to come in and just kind of crunch some numbers, see what amount lent at what term will be what payments. So $800 over 8 months, and then recalculate. It'll show how much the payment will be. Quick way of coming in and just seeing if you're lending a certain amount of money over a certain period of time, what the payment will look like, what the interest will look like back on that loan type, what the cash flow will look like back on that loan type over that period of time. It just allows you to maybe make some loans based on some of the testing that you do within the rate chart area, or if you just want to know in the rate chart area um, what the information would be for a specific loan amount and term. So this is rate chart. It can be helpful in projecting out, what a specific loan amount and term would be. Thank you very much.